Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I am going to show you how to fix iPhone does not ring for WhatsApp audio or video calls after iOS update. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's go to the video. Solution number 1. Select WhatsApp alert style to banner. For that, open setting app, scroll down, tap WhatsApp and tap notifications and enable allow notifications. Here we also select show previews to always. After that, go back and tap on WhatsApp notification setting. Here we have to tap on in-app notifications. Now select banner. If you select none or alerts, we have to select banners. And also we have to make sure to sound and vibrate are enabled. After that, if you are still facing the same issue, then go back and tap reset notification setting and tap reset to confirm your action. Solution number 2. Turn off and on allow notification for WhatsApp. For that, open setting app and tap notifications. Here we have to find WhatsApp. Under the alerts, we have to select lock screen, notification center and banner as well. Under the options, we have to tap on show previews and select always. After that, turn off allow notification, wait for a minute and after that enable allow notifications. Solution number 3. Turn on background app refresh. For that, open setting app, tap general, tap background app refresh, tap again and turn on. Solution number 4. Check ring or silent button. If you turn on silent, you cannot have sound for call or messages. So make sure this button is not on silent. Solution number 5. Open App Store, connect to Wi-Fi and check update for WhatsApp. If available, update your WhatsApp. Solution number 6. Check iOS update. For that, open setting app, connect to Wi-Fi, tap on general and tap software update. Update your iOS software if available. Solution number 7. Delete app and reinstall it. Tap and hold WhatsApp and tap on delete. After delete the app, force restart your iOS device by pressing home button and the power button at the same time until the Apple logo appears. After restart, go to the App Store and reinstall the WhatsApp. Solution number 8. Reset network setting. Open setting app, tap on general, tap on reset and tap reset network setting. Put your passcode and tap reset network setting again to confirm your action. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.